Welcome to another ABC Grab and Go on-demand webcast. Welcome to another ABC Grab and Go on-demand webcast. All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manuals, guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified professional. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided on an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either expressed or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time. So let's discuss the battery guard. Battery guard became available on all Van Hool coaches with the introduction of Kebis 32 and is still in use on the model year 2020 coaches. Battery guard disables the master switch circuit and powers the coach down once measured voltage is below 24.1 volts. It is considered an option and can be disabled by removing a ground wire in all models except for TX and TDX25, which uses the joystick to disable the battery guard option within the programming. See VIN-specific schematics for details. Now let's discuss the battery guard function. Battery guard is voltage based and operates with the engine off and the parking brake applied. Once the measured voltage drops to 24.1 volts, a 120-second timer is started and will power the coach down when time expires. Pressing the brake pedal one time during the 120-second timer operation will reset the timer operation to 120 seconds. Timer operation can be reset as needed, such as during a recalibration, until the batteries are too weak to maintain system operation. Battery guarded timer operation can be overridden by hooking up a battery charger and keeping voltage above 24.1 volts. Here we show you an example of your battery guard circuit for your CX45 and TX45. The symbols to the left is your relay 511.5, which is energized when the battery guard is activated. Power is removed from node 3, plug D, pin 2, and diode block 1. If ground is removed from node 3, plug A, pin 13, your battery guard is disabled. Your TX45 symbol on the right, removing the ground from node 2, B, pin 1 disables the battery guard feature. On TDX25, it is similar with the exception that node 2, plug D, pin 9 needs to be disabled. Always refer to the VIN-specific wiring schematic for the vehicle you are working on. The battery guard for the TX and the TDX25 uses the joystick to access the service menu. The battery guard feature can be accessed and changed in the general settings under the question mark. Refer to your maintenance manual for settings and joystick operation. This has been another ABC Grab and Go on-demand webcast. For questions regarding this webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for coach technical support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.